Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I got some rims. So they are Insignia's 17 inches. Pretty common swap to do on E36s, like it's pretty cheap to do. So I bought them like for 30 euros a piece. As you can see, they are pretty filthy. So I'm gonna clean them up, sand them down with the sandblaster. I'm gonna skip through all of this boring stuff. Okay, so that's one down. Result is okay, pretty acceptable. Knocked down most of the grime, except on the inside where sandblaster just somehow gave up on me. It's gonna look good. Now I'm gonna take care of these. And there they are, all sandblasted. Now I need to prep them for paint, so I need to dust them off. I need to wipe them clean with acetone, prime them, and we'll paint them in gold, the same gold as the diff. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I tried to show you I wanted to show you the process of sandblasting, but it ended up like this. So no time lapse for you this time. I'm gonna give you a time lapse though for all the painting processes of the wheel. So we'll see about that. So I got the wheels from the machine shop. I had to send them there to bore the center because it wasn't fitting. So now I got them all. There's just where is it? Yeah, there's just this one that's got a kink here. I'm gonna just straighten it out before I start prepping them and paint them, but for now I'm gonna try to test fit them, see how they do. So yeah, now they're pre-installed. You can see we have a bit of a poke here, but I don't know if it's just gonna go when the suspension is under load. But yeah, he might have bowed them out a bit too much. I think we can make it work. I don't know how yet, but I'm gonna find a solution. And in the rear, you can see that with the standard suspension, like we have like 10 millimeters back from the lip. The next step is gonna be prepping them out for paint. So I'm gonna just sand them down a little bit, clean them with acetone. Tomorrow I will lightly sand them down just to scuff them so the paint adheres. Okay, it's day 2. I'm gonna prep the wheels for the paint, so I will lightly scuff them up with some like 500 grit sandpaper and clean them with acetone and send them back to the paint booth. So let's go. So here we are. The rims are painted. Not my proudest work. There has been some little bit of dribbling, some here and there, but I can live with that since the wheels, I don't think they will be the definitive wheels for the car. I just needed them to fit the tires. I needed them to look a little bit decent. So I went to the tire shop to have the wheels mounted on the tires. So here they are, all done. I've test fit them on the car to see. I'm gonna show you. So I didn't mount them permanently yet because I don't have the nuts. I kind of dig the way they look. I'm gonna give you some light. You can see. I might have to roll the fender for now. I was thinking of getting a Ferroni kit, but since the wheels aren't that wide, for now I think I'm gonna stick to OEM look. Just rolling the fenders just to widen them a little bit. And in the rear, you can see how it looks. Put the bumper back in just to see, but yeah, you can see that it's not poking like we talked about. We have like 15 millimeters to spare, so if I ever wanted to, I could just buy some spacers. But for now, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I didn't put the other ones yet because I still have to do some stuff under the car, like putting the new exhaust that I got. That's probably gonna be the next episode. I also got a radiator from Mishimoto. It's not there yet, but since it's a swap, think I might have to keep the OEM expansion tank from the E36, because Mishimoto and other companies weren't able to tell me if it would fit with the swap. But yeah, that's pretty much where we are now.